Sometimes when it comes to having money, we become blinded, graveled, hit by bricks, confused if we should spend money or not. We just want to live for the moment, carefree, never paying attention to our surroundings or preparing for a rainy day. We never could imagine having it all and then losing it. And those of us who have ever lost, because of the long road ahead of us, cannot imagine ever getting it back. We allow this to happen mostly because we don't know any better. We are not aware of the hidden tricks that are played against us by many companies to get us to spend our money, or how our money is just taken right from under our noses. Until now. But there is a solution, which is a book called Getting Paid to Keep You in Debt by author Joanne Pinckney Wilcox. Hi, I'm Joanne Pinckney Wilcox. Getting Paid to Keep You in Debt is a book for everyone, whether you are in debt or not in debt, poor or rich, young or old. We all can benefit from my book, Getting Paid to Keep You in Debt. There is something valuable in getting paid to keep you in debt for everyone. Just make sure you read the whole book from front to back to get the full benefits. Getting Paid to Keep You in Debt was written by me because of my professional background. Dealing with these many companies, God wanted me to help the consumer be aware of the many different ways companies can trick you into spending money with or without your knowledge. In my book, I cover many topics such as bankruptcy, estates, what happens to your estate after you're gone. I also cover many other topics such as credit bureaus. There is a fourth major one you need to check. Credit repair companies, taxes, mortgages, banks, credit card companies, formulas to calculate your finance charges, utility companies, collection agencies, laws, how to get your FICO score up in just 3 days, how to teach your children about finances, fraud, car dealerships, insurance, a mini workbook, and so much more. So no matter what background you come from, Getting Paid to Keep You in Debt was written to benefit everyone. Buy this very important book today at www.booksbyjpw.com.